In today's video, I am going to show you how you can log into your MT5 on your PC, that is your personal computer or your desktop computer. What you need to do is to go to Google. So when you are in Google, you are going to type MT5 for PC download and you are going to click on it. This is the link. Remember to check the correct website, metatrader5.com. So when you click on that link, so it will bring you to this page depending on the operating system that you are using on your PC. You just click download for Windows or for Mac or for Linux or the web terminal. I am using Windows, so I am going to click on the download for Windows. When you click, it should take a couple of minutes to download. So when it is downloaded, just click on it to install it on your system the way you usually install any other app. So I have done that. It will take a couple of minutes to install and it has been installed on my system. You can go to your start menu if you are using Windows and you should see it there. It is already here. Now you can right click on it to pin it to your taskbar. So you can go to more and you see the option here if you have not pinned it to your taskbar. Here is telling me to unpin because I have pinned it already. You can see it over here. So I am going to click on it to log in to the PC. When your PC MT5 is loaded, this is how you are going to see it appear. So you will have a lot of customizations to make, but I am going to show you now how you can simply log into it. There are two ways of logging in with it. So you go to your file menu, click on the file. You see this drop down menu will appear. I have made an earlier video showing you how you can log into Trade using this aspect. So you can click on this to log into Trade. However, if you have a slow internet connection, it can be frustrating for you. So I am going to show you the alternative way, which is quite different. It's faster for me. So instead of this log into Trade, I am going to click on the open an account. If you are not able to see this log into Trade on your file, you can also come to this option that you are seeing at the lower right hand corner where you are seeing these bars here, these greenish bars. It will not be green on your own if you haven't logged in, because I have logged in already on my own account. When you are here, you can click on it and you see the option to log in. So you can click on the log in and you will see it is giving you the options for your login number, your password, and your server. And these are the things that you are going to go to your broker now, and you are going to select an account that you want to use for logging in to your Metatrader 5 on your PC. So we will go over to our broker now. I'll go back to the app. So you can log in to your broker using their app that is on your mobile phone or using the web terminal. I'm using Xness for this example. So this is their web terminal. However, you can use their app as well. All are the same. We need the information for our server so that we can use it to connect to our PC's MT5. So this is where you are going to go on your web terminal. Click on this drop down menu to drop it down, and then you are going to go to manage accounts. Click on the manage accounts, wait for it to load. So once you click on the manage trading accounts, it should bring you to this page. So you are going to select the type of account that you want. You have the option for the real and the demo. For the purpose of this video, I am showing you how to log in to your account. Whether it is demo or real, is still the same process. So I want to log in to this particular account. So I am going to go to these three dots here, click on them. Under your account information, click on it. That will bring the account information for you. This is the login number that you need in order to log into your MT5 on your PC. So click on it to copy it. Then we are going to go back to our Metatrader app on our PC or desktop. Then this option here, you are going to paste that login number here. You are going to paste it. So you now go back again, and your password, that was the password that you used for creating this trading account on your broker. You are going to enter the password. And then we also have server. We are going to enter the server address. So we are going to click copy. And then under the password, you will enter the password that you used in order to create that trading account on your broker. And for the server, I will paste this Xness MT5 trial 9, and you click on OK. Now this is the option that you will use, and if your network is not strong enough or is not powerful, it doesn't move fast, you may have difficulty logging in. That's why I told you the option to use is to click on this same file. So I'm going to cancel this because I have shown this same process in a video. You see it at the top right hand corner right now. So click on your file. Instead of this option, I go for open an account. Is very fast because it just gives you the option to search for your broker already. So if you are using Xness as your broker, simply search for Xness and click on it, and you will see all these options will come out, and you can see that you now have Xness technologies, different ones depending on the one that is given to you based on your location. For me is Xness technologies, so I will click on it and then click on next. This is the fastest way for you to log in without giving you any problem. So it will bring you up to this option of open a demo account, open a real account. We are not opening an account. We have an account with our broker already. So I'm going to click the option of connect with an existing trade account. So I will paste the login number here. That is the login number that we got from this our account information. I will now copy it, take it there and paste. I will go back to it again, and the server, this is the server MT5 trial 9. Now this is very smooth because here you will just simply see the server when you click this drop down menu. The other option is difficult for you. When you click, you may not see it in time because of slow network. So I am going to check, you scroll to check for MT5 trial 9. Is very lengthy, so you are going to, so this is MT5 trial 9. Then your password is the password that you used while creating the account. So I am going to enter my password. When you are done, click on finish. So you can see that sound is to show you that it is connecting. So it has connected. Once you hear this option, incoming mail, and you will also check the top here, you see Xness, see the account number MT5 trial 9 demo account Xness technology. It shows you have been logged in, and when you look at the lower aspect here, this signal bar now will turn green, and you will see that the numbers, because it is transferring data, so you will know you are logged in. And also at this lower part, you will see the option of trade, because initially before you will log in, you will not see this trade unless you are logged in. So if you are logged in, you see the trade tab. So under the lower left hand, you can click on it and you will see your balance that was in your Xness account. You will see it here. Any trade that you open, you will see everything here. So this is how to log into Metatrader 5 on your desktop, or to log into MT5 on your PC. If you have any question or any difficulty logging in, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.